What's wrong?
It's alright, just set it up.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah, here.
What do you think it is, Nat? You got to guess.
I said I didn't know.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, man!
Matching game?
Yeah!
Frozen matching?
Frozen!
Let me see.
Cool.
Look at Mommy.
That's nice.
Yep.
Oh, it's happy.
Oh, the Sky video glasses.
Oh,
Who's that from?
Cool.
Santa?
I'm
Let me
opening
see,
up all ones from Santa.
So, I didn't get any for Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, you did. That big one.
That's from
No,
Santa.
that's from
Nope.
Santa.
Oh, it is?
That big one.
Oh,
It's for
yeah.
both of you.
That's why I get mixed because my only ones are both
What do you think that one is, Nat?
it looks like all the
I
frozen,
think that one.
all the frozen wrapping paper looks like it's from Santa so far.
Yeah, that one has to be the Gorilla Gym. That's the only one we both asked for.
I think it's like maybe the bed. Oh.
Turn it
Turn
around.
around. It might show a picture.
Oh, it's the bunk
It's a bunk bed.
Oh.
Awesome.
Cool. I'll put it over here.
Then it's a three balls can fit on there. This is a bell.
Yep. Where are we going to put it at?
In my room. Walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkies, Dad.
Let me see.
Ooh, cool.
I'm running out of Santa gifts.
Oh, you ran out of Santa gifts?
I'm not.
Nick didn't get any for you guys.
Not that. Oh, there's. Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Nope, they're all from Santa. I got gifts from you. See?
Well, just open.
Dad,
Open.
I just opened.
Oh. I have no idea what this is. Awesome!
This is probably another size
Let me see.
Makeup!
Cool.
My turn. This is
Oh,
my.
wait, hold on a second.
This is my.
Oh, Kira, okay.
Look, a spy pen.
Cool.
Let me see. It's that time. We'll get it to you when we're all done opening up presents. What? What did you say?
What is it?
Starting.
Oh, it's a table!
Oh, a table for
A
your dolls?
table, yeah, you have to put it together.
Well, I'm sure you gotta put both of them things together.
Ew.
Alright, we'll put it over there, honey.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Set it somewhere so it's not in the way.
Who's that from, Santa?
No, you and Daddy. Doesn't open.
Open the top of it.
I can't. It's ducked with tape.
No, not that. There's just a few pieces on there.
No, I don't need to do that. No, I don't need to do that. No.
Mom, that's why you didn't want me to get it. Is it?
That's a real bow and arrow.
No, that's a real one.
That's one you're going to have to be
A
careful
real
with.
one?
Yes.
You can shoot it in the backyard.
Outdoor. Out back.
Oh my God, it's a real one.
And there's a target in there.
what you want.
Oh
but
my
we
god,
can't
it's a
yet.
Oreo one!
We're busy. Yeah, I know, but we're busy.